Brad Williams, XL Prime. The only difference with this particular tutorial is we're using a table. We're going to use SUMIFS, and we want to sum all appliances by type. Dishwasher, refrigerator, microwave oven. Hit F9. You're going to see the same format that it's just a repeat. The difference here is, notice no name ranges. Also notice we have this table design up here. As I've mentioned, you're going to see a different appearance. We have SUMIFS, which is going to do the exact same thing, but here we have a table, and we have a price, a table, 3 appliances, and we're going to have our criteria. Structured references. When you're within a table, this is the automatic format or output when you're dealing with tables. Outside of that, just go in here, just highlight anywhere within the formula bar, and same thing, sum range, the range to be summed. Criteria range, the first range to evaluate. Criteria, the criteria to use on a range. Can we use SUMIF? Oh, absolutely. We have a single criteria. I just want to introduce a table. You're not going to set this up any different. You're going to just get a different look or different text, different output using a table. If you want to get rid of this table, what you have to do, and this, keep in mind, this table is locked up. In other words, this sheet is protected. I'm not going to be able to do it here because I'm not going to unlock the sheet. Or you can right click, go to here to go to tables. See where it says convert to range. If you hit convert to range, it takes it back to static Excel. Your choice. Here's the narrative. Read it if you need it. Review the anatomy if you need to. If you need SUMIF, oh, here's the SUMIF. And I said you can use SUMIF or SUMIFS. Brad Williams, XL Prime. See you soon.